everyone. We're going to label the amplitude, the period, and the phase shift for y equals 1 divided by 2 cosine of 2x plus pi divided by 3. Alright, so basically let's start with the amplitude here. So the amplitude is just this number in front of your function here, a. So our amplitude is going to be absolute value of 1/2, which equals 1/2. And real quick, I want to go over what that means. So if you have a cosine function, just y equals cosine of theta, we'll let this be theta. And your unit circle is 1, right? So there's your parent function. When you have the 1/2, that means, and this means your radius is 1, right? So your radius is 1. But if you have a 1/2, that just means your radius is 1/2. So it's smaller. It gets crunched up together. So basically, if I write cosine of theta equals x divided by r, and if I cross multiply, I get r cosine of theta equals x. In our case, our r is going to be 1/2. So that, just keep that in mind. That's why you do the absolute value, because the radius is always positive. All right, even though there might be a reflection or something. Now, let's do the period. Okay, so the period, and I'm going to use this formula here, equals 2 pi divided by b. Well, our b is 2. So that's going to be 2 pi divided by 2, which equals pi. What that means is our cosine wave will make a complete rotation in pi radians, or in 180 degrees. It'll make a complete rotation. Or you could say that it makes 2 waves between 0 and 2 pi. So here's your pi. So we start here somewhere. Let's call this 1/2. So it makes a complete rotation here. Or you could say it makes 2 between 0 and 2 pi. All right. So this is 1. This is 2. Now the phase shift. The phase shift is just like your horizontal shift with any other function. So basically your phase shift is just where you set this argument, 2x plus pi divided by 3, and set that to 0. So we're going to get 2x equals negative pi divided by 3. And if you divide both sides by x, you get x equals negative pi divided by 6. So all this means is that your phase shift is negative pi divided by 6. It just means that's going to be a horizontal shift to the left. So we're shifting this whole graph here over. So you're shifting it over this way and this one by 30 degrees. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.